child is providing quality education.
It does not give full chance for them to educate their children.
The domestication of the Child Protection Law was a monumental step. We are now focused on the critical work of full implementation, from strengthening social protection system and ensuring swift justice for child rights violations to safeguard the welfare of children in all our communities.
To showcase another right.
Every child has a right to play. Every child has a right to education. Every child has a right to life. And every child has a right to health. Every child has a right to protection from harm. That's what we're here for as UNICEF. I want this opportunity to thank our donors, thank our partners, thank the government, thank the community people, and you, the children, for ensuring the rights of children are maintained in Northeast Nigeria.